have already learned how to use our Strategy Builder tool to screen or filter the markets, looking for stocks that meet specific criteria. This could be business performance criteria like earnings per share, or your criteria might be technical in nature like which stocks have recently formed a chart pattern. Now, some of our investing customers aren't sure how to get started choosing filter criteria like this. So the good news is that we offer a collection of expert strategies to help you get started. Now, once you've found investment selection criteria that you trust, why not use alerts to stay connected to the latest opportunities? Today I'm going to show you how to choose an expert strategy in Strategy Builder and set up email alerts. Let's get started. When you first land into Strategy Builder, you'll notice a section with featured screens. Here you can see the latest expert strategies that we've published. Notice that the names of the screens hint at the nature of investment criteria being used to filter the markets. Now, what's interesting is we can quickly see how many matching stocks there are right now, and take a look at the annualized return, achieved by a mock portfolio that uses this strategy. Now, I'm going to select the strategy that's showing one of the best historical performance figures today. Let's take a closer look. Now, certainly you can use this page to examine the specific criteria that the strategy is looking for and to get familiar with the objectives of the strategy. I can use the Detailed Results tab to view every single stock that's currently matching this criteria. And I can use the Performance tab to repeat the backtesting, to check how this strategy has performed versus a benchmark index. But notice on the Results Summary tab that we see a list of the top 10 matches. Now let's suppose I use this list to build an investment portfolio that meets this strict criteria. Well, the markets are constantly changing and I may want to keep my portfolio in tune with this strategy as the months and years pass. Well, there's no easier way to do this than to set up email alerts. Email alerts will tell you when some of the companies drop out of this top 10 list and other companies move into the top 10. Your first step is to click on the Save Screen button. Enter a name for this screen, and I'll draw your attention to this important checkbox to turn on email alerts. It says, email me any changes to the top 10 matches. I can choose whether I want those email updates on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Click Save New Screen, and you're all set. Well, just about. It's critical that you make sure you have an email address registered with our alerts. Go back to the top of the page and click on the link for Alert Settings to save your email address. Now you can see how in just a brief moment, you can set yourself up to stay tuned to a focused investment strategy. Go ahead and take a look at those expert strategies to get started, and be sure to save one of them and hit that checkbox to set up alerts. We have a warehouse of insightful analytics that can help keep you connected to the markets and enjoy running your own portfolio.